So to start out this unit, we're going to have to talk about some different kinds of angles that we did earlier in the year because they're going to kind of cycle back around here, and we're going to need to be able to look for them. We're going to talk about similar triangles this unit. One of the super important things about similar triangles is there's going to be angles that are congruent to each other. We'll deal with that starting when we start talking about actual similar triangles. For right now, we need to review 3 different kinds of angles and talk about what's happening with them, so that when we look at a picture, we can identify them and be like, okay, those are these kind of angles, one of the 3 kinds we're going to talk about, and that means I can tell these triangles are similar. So that's what we're going to get to with these, but we're going to go down through here and review these quickly. So the first ones are called vertical angles. All right, so vertical angles, 2 angles that are on opposite sides, so opposite sides of intersecting lines, and they form an X. All right, so they're going to happen mostly in pictures that kind of look like this. You can see the 2 yellow angles there. All right, so I would know this angle is equal to this one. So angle AEC congruent to angle BED. Okay, so I have to remember that there's vertical angles, and I can tell they're equal to each other because, again, some of these questions I'm going to have to figure out if the angles are actually equal to each other, and that'll require me to be able to look for something like this.